The cornhole god is back.
A bullshit?
And I'm on his head right here.
Bullshit.
Y'all better subscribe for him. Hey, come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe Cheese, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And I know it's dark, but damn, that'll go to light. But we up here at Gentleman's Quarters, and it's jump, and they got the game night going up here at the shop. And look, I ain't even went in. They already out here on the corn hoes, the hoes with the corns, and the corns on their hoes, and the feet on the corns. Cause it's jumping, boy. Uh-oh, damn.
It's okay.
Yeah, but we about to go in a minute. We gonna sit out here for a second. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. We gonna take y'all in there to say hi, say what's up, and do everything.
A few moments later.
The cornhole god is back again, baby. The cornhole god is back.
A bullshit?
And I'm on his head right here.
A bullshit.
We just keep doing that. That's all I need.
Yeah. Hey, Mr. Frank.
I got it right here.
What's up, champ? I seen you was hanging with the champ.
Yeah, you
I
see
seen
it, baby.
you was hanging with the
See
champ.
y'all see?
Yeah, I see
See
you.
what I'm saying?
I see you. You got champs hanging with champs.
Champs
I see
hang
you.
with champs,
Hey,
baby.
what did he say? Two times?
What?
It was two times. Yeah, I seen you
Oh, he
with
was
it.
kicking it.
Yeah,
Prophet cool.
yeah. I'm
He was
pretty
kicking
sure.
with the people. He was kicking it with the people, the kids, and everything, man. Yeah.
Hey, shout out to Bud, man.
Bud was kicking it, bro.
Yeah. Where y'all was at?
My funeral.
Oh, out here. He was out here.
Yeah.
Dang, I ain't know he came.
Mike Sanford, Mike.
Yeah,
He came
the
here.
coach that. Yeah, I ain't know he was
Yeah,
here.
Mike knew everybody, bro.
Dang, I ain't know he was here.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
He knew Prophet when
Shout out to Bud to coming to the city, man. Shout out to Bud, man.
When I showed you, bitch.
Yeah.
Make sure we get it.
1312?
What McCullough from Indianapolis. What's his name? The one was the champ from Indianapolis.
They gotta go like that, bro. Are you fighting to get this?
Robert Easton. He was here too.
Oh yeah.
Robert Easton was here.
No, he from Canton. Yeah. I'm about to say Youngstown or somewhere up north. I'm about to say I know he from up north somewhere.
Yeah, he was here. And
That's
my
what's
brother was
up.
here for Mike, bro. It was packed.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. Shout out to Cincinnati boxing community, man. That's real love, y'all.
Oh, I got 5 points.
They told Bud. Bud didn't know who I was. He's like, he a champ too.
That's a champ right there. I've seen the belts. I've held the belts. That's a champ right there.
Can you get back in there right now?
If you put the gloves on with him, he got it.
Hey, Keith, put the diagram in now.
You in there right now? Hell yeah. Man, we wasn't getting that type of money.
Say Uncle almost 60 and he still put somebody down.
Man, listen, I still work out.
Look, he still put somebody down. All right, y'all. So we about to go in the shop. Say what's up. About to see what's happening. What's up, shorty? Oh, he got the kidneys in here. What's up, brother?
Oh my
What's going on? And they got the Madden going. So winning. So up. Touchdown. Damn. Alright.
There you go.
Alright.
Hey, man.
What's up with you, bro? How you doing, my dog?
I'm gonna bust your ass too. I heard you just.
Y'all giving niggas chances. If you lose, you still get a chance to play.
What easy go?
He almost got out on him. And I ain't even get it.
I got 3 out of that still.
Let's see.
I got 3 out of that still.
All right. Well, I ain't get you throwing it though.
13-5, man.
It got on the board, but I ain't get you throwing it.
Damn.
Player.
A few moments later.
What? Dang, Frank is strong, bro. Frank's super strong. I see somebody look like they just won over there. Damn. 35-49.
You suck. A few moments later.
Ow, are you ready? We got the sip and paint going on. The sip and paint going on. Yeah, get ready, get ready. November the 17th, that's on a Friday. We're gonna start at 8 sharp. 8 sharp. We're gonna have some sip and paint going on. So I know a lot of you gonna have a lot of relatives in the Natty that weekend. So what we need you all to do, this is a man's event only. Sorry ladies, but I got you.
And you know this, man.
Got you ladies. I ain't gonna forget about you. But so what we want to do is we're gonna do the gentleman first. Okay? So we're gonna have that sip and paint. The sip and paint, I know everybody say, oh Lord, a sip and paint. But guess what, fellas? It's not on a canvas.
Tell nobody.
It's on some of our beautiful young ladies' bodies, okay?
Thank you.
So, listen up, sisters. Don't get upset. Don't you worry about it. It's just about having fun. Getting the guys out here to do what they need to do. And trust me, our young ladies will send them back home and y'all thank them the next weekend, okay?
Thank you.
So be ready for that sip and paint, gentlemen. Bring it on. Let's get ready to paint these bodies up. I'm going to give you a few selection of some of our young ladies, our beautiful young ladies, okay? All righty. Don't see, we got the showering over here, but trust me, once she get that paint, no shyness there.
What do you mean by that?
Okay? Okay. All right. Don't forget, November the 17th, that's on a Friday, 8 o'clock sharp. See ya. Ow.
I'm coming.
I am the one, the way your condom.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You want me to edit that and send you that?
Yeah. Do it up, though. Fix it up.
I got you. I'll take them out. I got you. Huh?
You did that in school?
No, I did that on my own. I learned to do all this on my own.
A few moments later.
Big dog.
Hey,
I'm coming for everybody. I told him. I'm coming for it. Real plan.
he definitely just caught that dub. Y'all seen the score. I showed y'all the score. He definitely just caught that dub on dude.
You suck.
Now they got him in the elimination game. Let's see what happens. He went to the Buccaneers. Let's see what's about to happen. It's gonna be the Battle of Florida. Hey, we gonna come back.
A few moments later.
Really appreciate this. Natasha, Gotti, we all making it happen. Ivana, everybody, the barbers, my boy Frank, everybody, I really appreciate this, y'all. It started literally with a dream, honestly. I prayed, and it was a vision for me, honestly, a couple of years ago. And I was gonna wait to get my own shop. But I met Gotti and his family, and they took me in. I really appreciate that. I brought T in with me, Nice came with me. We're all a big family, everybody, exactly. And it literally came from a thought, and then we made it happen right here. Everybody, this is the first annual though, so it's literally the first year. I'm excited to see what the 5th year gonna look like. It's gonna be too thick in here. But yeah, we're gonna do a raffle for the players that actually played in the tournament. Let me put this in a.
Can I make
Here, I got a nappy head, but y'all can use my hat. I know, I'm in the barber shop. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. I know.
Get it real good like that.
I want to say thanks to everybody that came out tonight.
I appreciate y'all.
Everybody got their tickets?
Spit some. Do a freestyle, Gotti.
After this. Psych!
Okay, can I?
Y'all better make sure she ain't cheating.
Alright, so the winner to the first prize is 61, 10, 19.
Oh!
I'm winning.
I'll take that.
Hey!
I needed that too.
Your choice.
61, 10, 19.
19, yep.
I'll take
Come
that.
on, come on. Here, Dave, come back, Dave.
I'm out, man.
Let me get a picture with you.
Dave, come back. Come on, you gotta say something too, man. Look, brother came in and won. Come on.
I can screenshot it.
DJ, can you play Dang? He got my gift. Can you play that song called Dang?
Yeah, my nigga, find out.
Oh, watch the drink. Watch the drink. Watch the drink.
Okay.
Hey, what you got to say,
Okay,
winner?
so the second winner goes.
Who they?
Who think they gonna be?
I think I'm gonna screenshot it. I think it's this part right here.
Yeah.
I think we're about to pull another winner.
I kept looking up there like, hey, is that
Wait till you see the. I can't wait till they do an NBA 2K one.
NBA 2K?
Yeah, we can get in the rec. We get some teams together.
They gonna
Hey,
be doing that going into
In the
basketball.
winter, yeah. Do a 2K one and get some tournaments.
Yeah, that's what I think we about to
Everybody
do,
use
2K
their mock
now.
players and pull the mock players out. Everybody pull out a couple systems. Everybody can pull out a couple systems and we can all play. We can pull our mock players out, get some teams together, and we can have a little tournament. Same thing. Have a tournament. Yeah.
What's good, DJ Easy in this thing? Yeah, we're here for the very first annual Madden tournament. Listen, it's going crazy in here. My brother Eric, he went absolutely crazy on this Madden tournament. It's the first one. The only person that's missing is you, brother. You need to be here. You need to be here. Fucking Madden tournament going crazy, bro. DJ Easy, pull up. Gang, gang, gang.
They using my hat. That's all I'm gonna win.
No, I need that. No, I need that.
That's my hat, so I'm gonna win. I'm pick the pillow.
A few moments later.
All right, and the second winner goes to 61, 10, 34.
Damn, I got 20.
34.
I got
The last
24.
numbers are 34.
034. Somebody got it. Somebody got it. We got a winner.
03.
What do you get? You got 32.
Bruh.
Oh, damn.
T. Picture. Other one. Got it. Where you at? Come here, got it. The man with the plan.
2-5.
Come on, what you gotta say, rapper winner?
I want something tonight.
You want something tonight?
I got my ass kicked.
Emotional, damn it.
How's the Madden game go, bro?
The man's game ain't going as planned. This one is. I'm kicking his ass now.
Okay,
But I want something.
you walked out with his glove,
There it is.
Well, 31. I need a pillow.
All right, the third winner goes to 61, 10, 28.
Hey.
Let me see the ticket. Let's see the numbers.
Hey.
Bye.
Hey.
Come on, get your prize. Win your prize.
Which one you want?
Hello.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, we got a bingo.
I want that. Oh, shit.
We got the half and match. We got the whole kit. They come together. Hey.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'm wearing this to the game. I don't care if it's 70 degrees.
It's still gonna be cold down there anyway.
Who's gonna get the pillow?
Uh-oh. Me, because that's what I want.
Let me get a drum roll.
Come on. Come on. 2-5.
Alright, so the third winner goes to 61, 10, 24.
I'm out, man.
I got 25.
Bruh.
26. Damn, bro. I got 2-5.
Emotional, damn it.
I wanted that pillow too. Damn. I wanted that pillow. Hell yeah. That motherfucker look comfortable as hell.
Hey, Chad, you got that from right there. There. That fish. You got from right there. Oh, I ain't know what everything talking about. I ain't know that.
Ooh, good play. Why'd he fall?
Just like that, he should have kept running.
Oh, why'd he fall? He was gone.
Where you get that from?
Oh my God.
Later that night.
I don't know if y'all can't see me. Let me get in a little bit of the light. Hey, y'all, but we about to go ahead and end this one off, and we gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real niggas. Tell my real niggas.